Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class 5. I'm your science teacher. In that video we will continue our unit number 3, a healthy body. So today our topic is protecting the body against diseases. Okay. So in previous video we discussed different ways, different methods how germs enter in our body. Okay. So there are different ways through coughing, through sneezing, through touching the objects used by the infected person, through unwashed hands, through unwashed foods. There are different ways through that microorganisms or germs enter in our body. So once they enter in our body, they start reproducing in our body, they start growing in our body, and they are using our cell material for the growth and for the reproduction. And as a result they are producing some waste substances in our cells that is called as the toxin. And when the number of these microorganisms increase in our body, so the amount of toxin also increase in our body, so they cause different type of infection in our body. So because so that these germs they cause different type of diseases in our body. So it is very important to protect your body against different type of diseases. Okay, so for that you must know how the germs spread and how you can protect yourself from them. Okay, so today our topic is protecting the body against diseases. So how we protect our body against the disease. Okay, so there are different ways we have to or adopted ways to protect our body against the diseases. Okay, so we have to save our body from different type of diseases, and we have to protect our body from different type of germs. So the important thing to remember to protect your family and yourself from diseases are, okay, first wash fruits and vegetables before eating. Okay, so it is very important. We must have to wash all type of foods and vegetables before eating. The reason is that on the surface of the food and vegetables a lot of insects, flies, they sit on that, and a lot of germs are present on the surface of these fruits and vegetables. And if we eat that fruits and vegetables without washing, then what happened? These germs enter in our body and they cause different type of diseases. Okay, so because this food is contaminated, these fruit and vegetables are contaminated, they have germs on their surfaces. So if we wash that fruits and vegetables before eating, then what happened? We protect ourselves from the diseases caused by that germs or microorganism. So it is very important to wash all fruits and vegetables before eating them. Then always wash your hands with soap and water before touching food. Always wash your hand after using toilets. Okay, so it's mean if we are using toilet, after that we must have to wash our hand properly with the soap and water. Okay, so because of that soap they can easily remove all germs present on our hands. So before touching food it is important to wash your hands, and after using toilet it is important to wash your hand properly with soap and water to remove all the germs present on your hands. Okay, now we can also protect ourselves from different type of diseases by keeping our food covered. Okay, so keeping food covered is very important to protect it from the flies. Look at here, look at this picture, these flies are sitting on the food. So what happened, a lot of germs are present on the legs of these flies or these insects, and they can easily attach with that food, and if we eat same food, then what happened, the germs enter in our body. So it is important to protect your food by covering this food from something. Okay, so these net baskets are available in the market. We have to use this type of baskets to cover the food and to protect them from the flies, and because of that we save that food from the germs. Okay, Then next, do not let your pet lick your face or eat from your plate. Okay, so it's mean pet animals, on the body of animals many germs are present. Okay, so if they lick your face, or if these animals eat from your plate, so automatically they transmit many different type of germs in our in that food or in our body. So we have to avoid the leaking, avoid that these pet lick our face or they eat from our plate. So if you have a disease that can spread, stay away from other people until you are better. Okay, that is also very important. Like if we are having some disease, if we are having some problem, if we have any infection, so we have to keep a distance from the other healthy person. Otherwise what happened, the germs can easily transfer to the other person. So it is important, if we are suffering from any disease and we know that this disease can spread by direct contact, so we have to avoid direct contact with the other peoples, and we have to stay away from other peoples until we are feeling better. Okay, and then cover your mouth with handkerchief when you cough or sneeze. Okay, so that is also one way to stop the spreading of different type of germs while we are coughing or sneezing. Okay, so by covering your face with the handkerchief, it protect our self from the spread, it protect ourselves, and it also protects spreading of germs, and this will also protect other person from suffering the diseases because of that germs are or some people, if suppose they are along with you, they are breathing inhaling from same air. But if your face is covered with the, if you cover your mouth with the handkerchief while you are coughing and sneezing, so it stop the spreading of the germs to the other people they are breathing in same environment. Okay, now there are different ways. We already discussed different ways how we protect the our body from different type of germs. Now you know that in our body there are different mechanisms, there are different cells that protect our body. Okay, so your body can protect itself. It's mean our body also have ability to protect ourselves from different type of diseases. So in our blood, two types of blood cells are present: red blood cells and white blood cells are present. Okay, so white blood cells do a very important jobs. Okay, so it's been white blood cell play very important role in the protection of our body from all type of germs. And how these white blood cells protect our body against the germs? They protect the body from germs. They attack and kill the germs that enter the body. Okay, so it's mean if any germ enter in our body, white blood cells are present. They attack on that germs and they kill that germs. Because of that, we are safe from the germs. We protect ourselves from the disease. Now some white blood cells eat up the germs. Okay, that is the second way. Some white blood cells they eat the germs, and because of that, these germs do not grow or reproduce in our body, and our body is protected because of these white blood cells. And sometimes they also produce some chemical substances which can kill germs. Okay, so all these are the ways. Sometimes white blood cells they fight or attack the germs and kill them. Sometimes they eat up the germs, and sometimes they produce some chemical substances, they kill the germs. All these are the ways through that blood cells they protect ourselves from different type of diseases. Okay, so white blood cells, that is the defense system of our body. They defend our body against different type of microorganisms that enter in our body. They kill them, they eat them, all the germs, and because of that our body is so the white blood cell they are serving as an army against harmful bacteria and viruses. White blood cells search for and attack and destroy germs to keep you healthy. Okay, so white blood cells are the key part of the immune system of our body. Okay, so white blood cells they serve as an army, so they protect us from harmful bacteria and viruses. Okay, and they kill all those germs that enter in our body. They fight them, they attack them, they kill them, they eat them, and they save ourselves from different type of diseases. Okay, so white blood cells are the key part or important part of our immune system. So it is important to keep yourself away from all these type of germs to keep yourself healthy and strong. Okay, so stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you. Have a nice day.